Today we've got the Swiffer Power Mop. I love how the top of the handle has a way for you to hang up the mop on a hook. And take a look at how light this mop is. I can lift it up with 2 fingers, even with a bottle of cleaning solution inserted to the base. You've got a button here in the middle of the handle which will dispense the cleaning solution, which I'll show you in a bit. And here's the actual bottle of the cleaning solution. When you push the button on the handle, the solution sprays out from these 2 little holes. I'll show you that as well in a second, what it looks like. But first, I want to show you how easy it is to take out the bottle of cleaning solution and then insert it back in. There's a round button right below where the bottle would be inserted, and that would be where you would eject the bottle when you need to replace it. And then underneath it, we have a reusable mop pad velcroed to the Swiffer. Okay, so now I'll show you how this mop works on our hardwood floors. See how the mop head swivels left and right so it can get into any corner and around the furniture very easily. And here I'll just push the button on the handle and you can see the cleaning solution mists coming out from the mop head. It sprays just enough for the area in front of me and dries within seconds. And then I can go around the corners and navigate around the furniture to clean the next spots. The swivel head allows the mop to glide seamlessly. And as you can see, there's no residue nor streaks left behind. And the best part is you don't need to rinse anything and the floor dries almost instantly.